Again, storm again. 4 months ago, we had a terrible storm on the island of Jamaica, Hurricane Beryl, that devastated the island. It mashed us up. And today, we are predicted to have yet another storm. So, again, here we go again. So, yes, guys, I'll be prepping for the storm to ensure that I have minimal damage. So, let me show you around what I have currently in. So good morning, nature lovers. Here I am on the island, and as I said to you earlier, that we are predicted to have another storm today on the island sometime today. We're currently under storm warning, so that is in effect. That is what we're expecting to happen later today. I'm on my way to my 9 to 5, but for now, I just want to show you quickly a run through of what the garden looks like, what the backyard looks like. So yes, guys, I'll be prepping for the storm to ensure that I have minimal damage. So let me show you around what I have currently in. So let's get into it. Let's go. So this is corn. It's about a month old, 4 weeks in, and they are coming up beautifully. This is the king corn variety, and this is a part of my successive planting of corn. This is actually my first one in, so this would be the oldest one, or the one that is closest to harvest. So this is one of the plots of corn. You know how corn can flop over during a storm, regardless of all the tips that I've implemented. Storm weather is different from slight breeze. So I'm hoping that this will hold up. I don't know. Later on, I will try to put some other methods in place, but just to give you an idea of what the farm looks like right now. And here I have some tomatoes. This is the indeterminate variety. In another video, I'll explain that to you, and I'll show you how I prune, but not in this video. They are huge, and I wanted to put them on trellis, but maybe it's a good idea to keep them lying down as they are right now, so that much of the storm winds will not go through them, will not go through it. And see, guys, they are blossoming. So this is what I have here. Beautiful. They're coming up nicely. They need to be pruned, but I can't do this right now until after the storm. I have to take it easy. And then there is also melon in there as well. I'm going to take this out, not out of it, but allow it to trellis or run on the ground, on the soil. And I have some cauliflower here as well. I've placed some cauliflower in here because I want to see how they grow. Yes, guys, so those are what I have growing so far. They are in, and I'm hoping that I can keep them safe. Already you know that we have lost so many plantains and bananas, and those are just, guys, they're just coming back. They're just coming back up because that was way in July and we're now in November, and it takes about 9 months, 8 to 9 months for bananas and plantains to come back into full production, and they're just coming up. So I'm going to show you that now. Right, guys, so those are some. These had been blown down by the hurricane previously, and they are just coming back up now. They are just coming back up now. Maybe in another 4 or 5 months they will be shooting, and by shooting I mean they will be putting out fruits. That's what the term shooting means in terms of banana and plantains and farming terms. Right here we have another plot, guys, and this one again, very prolific bearer and producers of plantains and bananas. Every month I get several hands and bunches, but the storm, the hurricane category 4 had devastated all of it, so we were not able to get any at all. We were not able to get any, and they're just barely coming back up. So guys, we're hoping for the best. We're hoping for the best with that, because it is short on the island now. We don't have any. It is short on the island now. We don't have any plantains as such. So we are hoping that there will not be too much damage, because you know how banana and plantain are. Guys, see, very flexible, very bendable. You see that? So once we have any strong breeze or any strong wind, there they go again. Another clump of the same plantains and bananas, the June plum tree. I hope nothing will be snapped off. I have some beans that have taken such a long time to grow and to produce, and they're finally producing. So I'm hoping that they will stay on. And of course, guys, look, this is another bed of cauliflower. Little mismatch of everything based on how I got them. So I have some carrots in here and some tomatoes as well. This is a part of the successive planting. And I have some cauliflower in here. These seedlings were given to me by a very good farmer friend of mine. He had germinated them in the tray and he gave me these. So I have planted them out here in the garden and I am hoping that they will come up, beautifully. They are already beautiful. So let's hope nothing will happen to these, but just to give you a little bit of perspective as to how the garden looks. So that is another patch of cauliflower. Let me show you another patch. So by the way, guys, I am Sandra. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. And please remember that if you find value in these videos, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Just hit that notification bell. Here is another patch of the cauliflower, guys. I'm going to do a video on this later on. See where I have them in the flower garden. See? And this is what they look like in the morning. Alright guys, sirens are running and things are getting prepared because it is a storm coming. Alright, so that is what these look like. So I'm going to be comparing how these grow and what the results are based on where they are, the location, so that I will know next time where is the best spot to plant them. But that's for another video. And guys, right in this plot, guess what I see here? Look here. Look here. Look here. Corn. I did not plant this corn. It came up by itself. It's a volunteer. So I'm hoping that it will come to something. And guys, where is it located? Right in the flower bed. That's why you see coming out here. I did not plant it. It's a drop seed, a volunteer. And guys, here is successive planting number 2. So this is next in line to the one that is nearest harvest. This is second in line. All right, closest to harvest. And we are hoping that this area is a little bit shaded, or not shaded really. This area is a little bit protected by the walls. So I'm hoping that, if we have wind, strong winds or anything like that, that they will be a little bit safer. All right, again, hoping for the best. So guys, I'm at my other location, other side of the backyard or side yard, and here I'm going to show you what I have here. Remember, I've already shown you this area. This is where I have my corn. This is the latest one that was planted, so as part of the successive planting. So this would be third in line. So guys, I'm going to just show you what they look like and hopefully that they will be protected. See, this is what they look like. I have these around them. Good morning, Max. Yes, good morning. So yes, guys, this is what everything looks like. It's the calm before the storm, the calm before the storm. So I'll keep you posted. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video of prepping for the storm and just giving you a little walkthrough of what everything looks like in the garden, or what most things look like in the garden. I hope that we will not have a bad experience this time. And I hope that damage will be minimal and our gardens will be preserved because we are just bouncing back. So thanks very much for watching. Until next time, walk good, be safe, one love.